Vanakkam, welcome to Santhoshi's kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Aloo Gobi. Aloo Gobi is a traditional northern Indian dish. Aloo means potato and gobi means cauliflower. So this dish is made with potatoes and cauliflower. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into small cubes as shown in the video. Take a cauliflower and cut the stem off. Break it into small florets like this. Heat a heavy bottom pan on the stove and add oil. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds. And you can see the cumin seeds are crackling, and then add asafoetida. Fry the cumin seeds in oil until they turn dark brown in color, and then add chopped onion and ginger and garlic paste. Now add the chopped tomatoes, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, amchur powder, salt and kasoori methi powder. This is dried fenugreek leaves. And add half a cup of water. Close the pot and cook the contents in medium heat until the onion and tomatoes cook down and they turn into a nice thick paste-like consistency. Now add the chopped potatoes and the cauliflower florets and half cup of water. Make sure that the potatoes and the cauliflower are nicely coated with the masala. Close the pot and cook the contents in medium heat until the potatoes and the cauliflower are cooked well. Aloo Gobi is ready. Add some freshly chopped cilantro to give it a nice fresh flavor. The Aloo Gobi is ready. I'm going to try it. The potatoes are cooked perfect and the flavors from all the spices are giving a great taste to this potato and the cauliflower. This will go perfect with rice or roti or naan. You should definitely try this dish. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about this recipe, please share them in the comment section.